Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check connected apps in the Claude app on your iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the App Store and search for the Claude app. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version, because some features may not appear on older versions. Once the app is updated, simply open the Claude app on your phone. After opening it, tap on the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. From here, tap on your profile to open your account settings. Now look for the Connectors option and tap on it. Here, you will be able to see all the apps and services connected to your Claude account. You can check which apps are currently linked and manage your connected services easily. And that's basically it. That is how you can check connected apps in the Claude app on iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon in the next video.